Now, we are strolling along Wilson Street, just behind King Street. Earlier, we had morning tea at Black Star Pastry and Azuki Bakery. On that walk, we also spotted a Japanese restaurant called Take Sushi and Ramen Bar. We've been wanting to try it, so we decided to stay in Newtown for lunch. The restaurant is now open, so let's head in and enjoy our meal. Here's what we ordered. Salmon Lovers Platter. Karaage Chicken Bento Set. Let's see what's included in the Karaage Chicken Bento Set. Crispy Karaage chicken. Miso soup. Takoyaki. Lotus root chips. Now, let's check out the Salmon Lovers Platter. Fresh salmon sashimi. Salmon sashimi. Salmon roll. Aburi salmon. Salmon sushi. Everything is fresh, the portions are generous, and the prices are surprisingly reasonable for this area. We are really satisfied with our lunch at Take Sushi and Ramen Bar. Now, with full stomachs, we are heading back to King Street. We turn right to explore the section of King Street we haven't seen yet. This route also leads towards Sydney CBD, which fits perfectly with today's walking plan. Walking along King Street at lunchtime feels very different from our quiet morning stroll. Earlier, the street was calm, with only a few cafes open and locals easing into their day. By lunchtime, King Street comes fully alive. Students, workers, and visitors mingle, creating an energetic and colorful atmosphere compared to the peaceful morning pace. Do you remember this cake shop? It's called Sweet Lou. We passed by in the morning in our previous video, but it wasn't open then. Let's take a peek inside. Sweet Lou is a cozy cake shop in Newtown, known for its delicate pastries and freshly baked treats. Its interior is charming, and the display is always filled with colorful slices, mousse cakes, and beautifully crafted desserts that almost look too pretty to eat. Unfortunately, we are too full to try any desserts this time, so we'll save Sweet Lou for our next visit. Walking along King Street, many buildings still retain their 19th century charm. Low-rise historic structures with brick fronts, vintage shop fronts, and colorful murals give the street its artistic character. Cafés, boutiques, and small restaurants are tucked into these older buildings, blending classic features with modern touches. The architecture tells Newtown's story while keeping the street vibrant today. Walking here feels like stepping back in time, with subtle modern touches in signage, window displays, and cafe interiors. The atmosphere is relaxed yet lively. Compared to our quiet morning walk, the lunchtime vibe is energetic, but not overwhelming. Unlike near Newtown Station, this part of King Street has less street art and graffiti. If you want to see more of the street's vibrant art, check out our other videos about King Street. Along the way, small shops and cafes invite passers-by inside. Some have outdoor seating spilling onto the sidewalk, perfect for people watching with a coffee or snack. You can smell freshly baked bread, pastries, and the rich aroma of coffee drifting from open doors. Even if we are not stopping at every cafe today, you can imagine spending a slow afternoon hopping from one to another, sampling treats and soaking in the street's charm. We notice subtle signs of Newtown's artistic side here as well, though less pronounced than near the station. Occasionally, a mural or small artwork pops up on a side wall or building end, offering a glimpse of the neighborhood's creative energy without dominating the streetscape. We are drawn in by the charm of a small lane. Tucked away is a Japanese restaurant called Hikaru, a bit hidden, yet it catches your eye with its inviting presence and quiet character. Continuing down the lane, we stumble upon a humble little cafe, so unobtrusive that you might almost miss it. Now we can see its name, A.P. Town. These tucked-away spots give the lane a special character, a feeling of discovery that makes wandering here so enjoyable. Now, we are back on King Street. The people walking by reflect the area's diversity: students, artists, office workers, families, and tourists, all moving at slightly different paces. It's a snapshot of daily life in Newtown, full of small stories unfolding around you. This part of King Street shows that Newtown isn't just about street art or nightlife. It's also about everyday life, where old buildings meet modern businesses, and locals and visitors coexist in a relaxed, welcoming atmosphere. We've reached the intersection of King Street and Queen Street. King Street now connects to Prince's Highway. To the right is Queen Street, where we'll continue to our next suburb, Chippendale. If you enjoyed following our journey, please subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for our next video.